Hi friends, welcome back to Riding with Cash. A big thank you to all of you for making us reach 6,000 subscribers. So keep liking, keep subscribing, keep sharing with friends and family. So far I get a lot of emails, a lot of people don't comment on the channel, which is perfectly alright. Send me an email, send me a note, all the requests. Of course I haven't posted anything since last December. Winter set in, you can't ride. But we have done some special videos of my special trips and documentaries that were shot over the year. I hope you like them. Now we're back to summer of 21. We had COVID pandemic going on. We had to make sure everybody has 2 shots and a COVID clear and all the good stuff. So we begin riding again. A couple of shares here. This was, this bike was 2019. There was a Honda. Then last year in summer, all the way to winter, we had the Himalayan. And just around Christmas, we got the Interceptor. So Interceptor is all registered, ready to go. The plate will be put on, and it'll be fun. I don't know if I can really ride this summer, but we'll try because this happened. Now, this is not a motorcycle accident. This is completely different. At some point, I'll share with you what happened. But once a biker, always a biker. So let's see if I can take this thing off and try the gloves. So I'm fully vaccinated. Technically not, because I had my second shot a week ago. It was nice and clean. So far, so good. With a broken hand. Oh, that's good. Moment of truth. Get the battery held together, because I never winterized the bike. So, oh wow. Enfield is fantastic. The bike started as bonfire 6 months later. So you got the plate, we put the plate outside. Bandages came off in the glove. So we got the templates on. Let's take the templates off first. Let's see this one. All right. So new plates are on. We're good for 1 more year. So let's ride.
of the season. The bike started pretty well in one shot, fired up after being parked for 6 months. So it's a fantastic bike from that point of view. Enough power, rode pretty well, the weather is good, the ride felt good. Fingers I got to work around because I got to get used to it with the fingers that I cannot use. So I'll make this a short ride. Keep watching, keep tuning in, please subscribe, share with family and friends, send me emails, make some comments, and I'll see you guys next time. Feels like Chicago.
If you like watching Riding with Cash, hit subscribe and join me on the next ride.